We didn't know what to expect when we booked a private luxury tour online. But it turned out to be one of the best days of our trip. Come sail with us across the Andaman Sea to Hong Island, one of Thailand's most beautiful hidden paradises. Let's begin. We had a hotel pickup, and the friendly driver took us straight to the port.
Martin.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's my name?
Nick?
Nick. We took a sunset.
And just like that, it was time to set sail. Well, figuratively, since our luxury boat was actually a motorized longtail.
Llegamos a la primera isla que se llama Lago Labing.
llegamos a Hong Island.
Tenemos que regresar porque fue la isla que más nos gustó la vez pasada. Y el clima se está arreglando un poquito, así que tenemos suerte. Ándale, saben, así como squid. Estamos comiendo estas cositas que no sabemos de qué son. Pensamos que son de squid, pero saben súper bien. Vamos a ir a comprar más.
Un poco spicy. ¿Son de squid o de pollo?
Squid o pollo, algo así, barbecue.
We were feeling so relaxed that before leaving the island, we decided to go into the water for a bit. Since this was a luxury tour, they even handed us a GoPro to capture it all. Having that little extra comfort and moving at this slower pace just felt right.
Okay. Bye-bye.
ya comimos, vamos a ir de vuelta a Krabi. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Bien?
Our Hong Island day was coming to an end, and we couldn't have asked for more.
El día de hoy fuimos a las Hong Islands de una manera muy lujosa, comimos cafecito y cenamos bien rico. Y aquí se acaba este vlog.
But there's still more coming. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Please consider subscribing to our channel, it would make us so happy.